Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling Apple Balance in Wallet so payments use your balance instead of a credit card. Open Wallet, tap the Apple Balance card, and follow prompts to verify identity. This unlocks spending limits and security features. Once done, add funds from your bank or debit card or transfer from Apple Cash. Make sure to set the balance as your default payment method for Apple purchases so the system selects it automatically when available. This prevents accidental credit charges and keeps your spending within the loaded amount. Next, you set Apple Balance to actually pay for purchases. Go to Settings, tap your name, Payment and Shipping, and make Apple Balance the default if the option appears. This ensures in-store and online Apple purchases draw from the balance first. For App Store and subscriptions, explicitly choose Apple Balance at checkout when prompted. Once configured, enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick, secure authorizations. This reduces friction and explains why purchases switch from credit to loaded funds when balance covers the total. To finish, always confirm your Apple Balance covers the total before you hit buy so the system won't fall back to a credit card. At checkout, verify the payment method shows Apple Balance. If it doesn't, switch it manually and retry. If a payment fails, check that your identity verification completed, your device is online, and your balance is adequate, then try again. If issues persist, contact Apple support or your bank to resolve holds or verification flags. They can clear blocks so you can keep using your balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.